Hello and welcome back everyone to this new guide video of how to guide. In this video, let me show you how to fix TikTok login error. If you're getting an error message whenever you try to log in to your TikTok account, in this video let me show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. Now mostly these error messages are received whenever there is a bug in TikTok. So in the most cases, it may be the problem of TikTok itself or it may be the problem of your phone. If it is a problem with your phone, what you can do is try to first of all update your app of TikTok. So open up your Play Store or the App Store, search for TikTok and tap on update if there are any new updates available. Updating apps not only helps to clear out the bug from TikTok but will also help you clear out any glitches. So update your app and try to see if this fixes the issue. The second thing that you can do if this does not fix the issue is uninstall the TikTok app. Uninstalling applications and re-downloading it again is a great way of clearing out glitches as well, and it is also going to clear out any caches which may be causing the issue. So uninstall and reinstall the app and try logging in again. Now even if you update and try the second method that I showed you and you still can't log into your account, that may be because TikTok is having an issue right now. So in these cases, what you can do is wait out a couple of hours before you try logging in again. Other than this, you can try to log into your TikTok using your desktop and try to see if you can. If you cannot log in there as well, in the most cases TikTok is having an issue, so just wait out and try logging in later on. So those are the couple of things that you can do in order to fix TikTok login error. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily guide videos that we post. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.